Welcome back, friends. So just like my previous example, this time I would like to also introduce you the another very interesting application, which is called navigation. Look, when we talk about HTML based development, so in HTML based development, navigation is very important, where you have a called multiple pages attached to, so that when you click on this page or click on any hyperlink, it will take you to the new page now, so that you can move back and forth. So this navigation is very essential part of any web development, so that you can offer the navigation. So this simple application of HTML we would like to start from scratch. So let's go and create a new folder now and give the name called navigation. And inside this navigation we want to create some new pages. So here I'm going to create index.html. The CSS name will be app.css, and along with this we would like to also create some new folder. Inside this I'll keep all the navigation files inside this, so I can say pages. Inside this pages, let me have total number of 3 pages with me. One is called about.html, then we create contact.html, then we create one more that is called services.html. So these 3 links we will create it one by one, but first let's start with the index.html. So what's there in my index.html file? So first thing, I would like to start with my same HTML syntax here. Well, this is my basic construct. So I will start with my link rel from here, so that I can have my style sheet with me. Link rel equal to style sheet, href equal to app.css. Though I have not written anything, but I just left it as a blank. In my body tag, I would start with navigation. So HTML5 brought you some new tags known as called a nav tag, which is once again won't change anything drastically in your browser. However, they are called semantics, which will help you for the SEO, that stands for search engine optimization. So I'll start with my nav. Inside my nav, I will start with my div. I'll say navigation bar. So but before that I say class equal to heading. That is my div tag, and inside my div tag I want to bring my heading, so I say h4 and I say navigation bar. And after the div tag I will start with my UL tag, which is the unordered list. Inside my unordered list I can say li, that stands for list items, and I can offer lot many links inside this. So UL, I just offer the class equal to nav hyphen links, and inside this my li tag I say a, which is the anchor tag. So a link href equal to, now here I offer the name, I say index.html, and that's it, and this will be by default active. So we say class equal to active. A class equal to active and href equal to index.html file, and here we offer home for home page. I'll copy this line and paste it for other 3 URLs. So here the active won't be there. Instead we say href equal to the location called pages. Under this pages we say about.html, and here we say about. Okay, copy this, paste it, and a part of this about we always say services.html, and here we say services. Inside this we offer contact. Okay, and once the nav tag is over, I will offer the div class equal to, just give the name body hyphen text. I just say h1 tag inside this, and this is the home page. That's it. So that's my home page, which is ready with me, and along with this, whichever the other pages are also available, those pages I also want to use. So first of all, let me check how this page looks like in. Well, it looks like a pretty basic page. So once this page is ready, what I will do is, here I copy the content and pasted it here and above, and let's see what's there in my above. See, few things will change. Number one, here this app.css, now here we have to just use dot. There's an app.css for me, so we have to offer some title too. So after this link rel, we offer title. This title I can say about. Okay, so rest everything is fine. So h4 navigation bar, nav links. Here I have to offer the links for my base HTML page. So when I talk about index.html file, okay, it won't come. So index.html file. So I won't say it is an active anymore. I just remove this line. Class equal to active is just a normal href, but about would be active in this case. So a class equal to active, href this, services contact is as usual same, but I would not be having any pages anymore because we are in the same location, that's why. And here I say this is a about, this is the about page, so that's it. I'll go back and check if it all fine. Home is active right now. About, you can see it as an about page right now. The about page is just appear as it is saying. Contents are more or less looks like and same, that is why you are able to see. Now just like that, I will just go back and copy the others. Now here app CSS, navigation bar, active, it is in contact, so I'll make contact as an active. So index.html file remains same. This is contact page. So that's how it is. And we will say about my other properties, which is my services. I copy this contact, and here I'll be activating my service in this case. So class equal to active, I remove it from here, make it available here. This is service page, navigation, index, pages, about, active, yeah, all looks good. Heading, about, okay, here I change service, this I change to contact, so looks fine. Let's see. Okay, service, contact, about, so for about we need to check where we need to go. So we have got pages, about.html pages also there. So all there. So we will like to see how the about page will be activated here. So index.html file also contains an about. So here when I refresh, well, we would call index.html page. Talk about. Where is an about page now? Services. So like this, it is happening for you. Okay, so that's how exactly my thing is. So we're all good, and services, contact, home, all good. Well, my page is now ready, and going forward we would like to beautify my pages by offering the CSS. Well, let's get started with our CSS file. So in my CSS file, I will start with my common properties, which is margin. I'm saying 0 pixel, followed by padding. I'm making it a 0 pixel again. Again, we want box sizing. This I say border hyphen box. Okay. Well, going forward, this is my standard settings for all different type of properties. Now I want the other properties to be get introduced, that is called box body text dot body hyphen text. Inside this body text, I set display flex. Now when I see where the body text is available, go to my index.html file. Body text is available here, div class. So here in my CSS file, I can say body text display flex. I say font family. I can give anything. Just giving called mont serif sans serif. These two we are offering it. Later on, align items, NL item center, followed by justify content. We're making it center, then margin top, to 50 pixels. These are the properties are there. Followed by, okay, first let's check what is an effect. Here, see, it looks better now. Now we would like to go ahead with the nav. I already have this nav with me. Nav, display, flex, then justify content, space around, followed by align item. Align items I want to make center, and then we want to say min height. So we say min hyphen, okay, so min height we are giving 8vh, followed by background color, just set teal, same color, and same font family. We just copy this font family and make it available here. Well, let's check. There we go. So Navbar looks awesome, but I still feel the links needs to be justified. We want to make it even more better. But before that, I offer the nav links. So here I say nav links. So dot nav hyphen links. This nav links will have display flex, display flex, and then justify content that I want to make it space around again, followed by width, So width would be 30%. Perfect. And now navlink li dot navlinks li this list style none. Let's see how it is changing. There we go. That it looks really nice. So navlinks are ready, and I want to make it a heading. I want to make it more organized. So let's see about a heading. So here I say dot heading, and inside this heading I say color, which is white, followed by text transform, text transform uppercase, followed by letter spacing. This letter spacing will be 5 pixels, and followed by last font size, and this font size is just 20 pixels. That's it. And let's see how it is differentiate here. Awesome. So this navigation bar is now looking great, and it is giving me all the basic operation whichever we have expected. Now this nav links whichever we have created, okay, they are working fine, but I just want to make it even more beautiful. And how I can make it more beautiful? To make it, I would like to go ahead with the nav links again. Dot nav links of type anchor tag. Now I would like to activate my anchor tag by making it color white. Okay, followed by text decoration none, and followed by letter spacing 3 pixels, and then font weight bold, and font size 14 pixels, and padding 14 pixels and 16 pixels, both options. That's it. And followed by, we want to use the nav links. When I will hover it, so the color should change. So we are saying dot nav links, and here with li followed by a dot active. When the anchor tag is active, then in that case I want to change the background color to light sea green. I can say lights so we have this option called light sea green. This one, light sea green, that looks beautiful. And followed by same, I copy this and this active. So nav links li dot active, background color we are using, but if it is not active, then in that case what you will use. So I can just change a small thing here. I've changed this color. Now let me try to copy this first. I tell you what I want to copy this, and I paste it as usual. Here what I see is when it is an active, okay, when it is an active, I will change the color to, I think the spelling is wrong, active, it should be active. Background color I want to change it to green. So for that we are just using the color hash this is a green color when it is an active, and when this is not active, so we can just say a colon active, which we've used now li colon active, or we can say a colon hover a colon hover, and here we say colon not dot active. That's it. Let's see how it works. Awesome. This looks beautiful. Home. Home is active right now. You say it is on a home page. I can see it is an about page. It is service page. It is a contact. Now you can see it looks even more awesome.